beauties and handsomes? I have quite a few new subscribers. So what's up? Welcome to my channel. I hope you found something up here that you enjoy. If not, but you should. But if you don't, okay, alright. Make sure you comment down below so that I can create some content for you. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to do a push-up, and I'm going to get straight into it. So usually I have my mic, but as y'all can see, I don't have it today. All the batteries seem like they don't want to work, so I'm just going to be loud. So for the push-up, you want to start making sure that your shoulders and your wrists are in line, curling your toes under and coming up into a plank position. And I'll be doing a video on how to do a plank too. For this push-up, you want to lead with your chest and try and keep your eyes gazing towards the front of you. So instead of looking down, try looking up, taking the chest down and pushing it back up. Again, taking it down, so you don't want to be here squeezing those shoulder blades, or here with your butt up in the air. A straight line from your crown to the heels of your feet, taking it down and then pushing it back up. So if that's too much for you, that's fine, I got you. What you want to do is from that plank position, drop down onto your knees. Watch out, baby, I gotta do a push-up. You gonna do a push-up with me? Okay, watch out. You want to drop down onto those knees, and again, bringing that chest to the ground, pushing it up. And then doing it on the ground on your knees is still too much. You can always take it to the wall, and I'll show you how to do that. So you still want to make sure that your shoulders and your wrists are in line, and you're still going to bring that chest to the wall and pushing it back. Again, chest to the wall, pushing it back. And that'll alleviate some of the pressure off of your shoulders and your arms. And then, of course, you can build upon that. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Like I mentioned before, comment down below if you have suggestions for future videos. Or you have more questions about this exercise. And, of course, subscribe if you haven't already, because my channel is popping. Is my channel popping?
Popping?
Yes, it's popping.
Popping, 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 popping.
Alright, see you next time.